Want a level-headed look at the NFT craze that goes beyond the hype and gets into the realities behind it? It seems like everyone, everywhere these days is putting their money in NFTs. Every day there's another big headline about an NFT being sold for sky-high prices. Despite the publicity around NFTs, you may still be hesitant to put your hard-earned money into it, especially considering the prices these items go for. While it's prudent to be wary of buzz and hype, sometimes there can actually be something worthwhile under all that fanfare. NFTs, together with cryptocurrency and the wider blockchain technology, are reshaping business, art, and security. And they're making a fortune for some savvy and forward-thinking creators and investors. One 12-year-old earned a six-figure income just by selling weird whale NFTs, and plenty more have gone from being in debt to having overflowing bank accounts. Even celebrities are cashing in, either scooping up NFTs or even creating their own to sell. But for every new NFT millionaire, there are many more who don't make any profit or even lose money with NFTs. If you don't want to get left behind by this new trend, but also don't want to get caught up in a losing situation, it's time to sift through the noise and study up on NFTs. In the NFT Handbook for Beginners, here is just a fraction of what you will discover. How NFTs get their value. Why some NFTs sell for millions of dollars despite being virtual assets. Practical uses of NFTs beyond art and video games. Their game-changing effects on the worlds of finance and real estate. How you can create and sell your own NFT and join the likes of Beeple, Jack Dorsey, and Gary Vaynerchuk. How blockchain is going to transform the way we do business and why it's the future. 3 effective ways to earn passive income from NFTs. It's not just about selling your artwork. How to protect your cryptocurrency and NFTs from fraud, theft, and your own absent-mindedness. How to make your first NFT purchase, from deciding on an NFT to choosing a marketplace. And much more. Even if you haven't invested in cryptocurrency yet, NFTs can help get you familiarized with this new technology. Although they are 2 different things, they are part of the revolution that's coming with the advent of blockchain. Gaining more knowledge and experience in crypto can help you understand NFTs better and vice versa. This is just the start of the shift towards blockchain. It will only benefit you to start learning about it today. This is only the beginning. Join the NFT phenomenon today and purchase this audiobook.